Okay, so just in case you have this happen to yours, this normally won't happen to yours, but mine's overvolted. So basically, it blew a yeah, basically blew out the glass. But if you do have a spare bulb, a spare globe, which I just so happen to do, you can take that, place it out, and actually set the where it's not going to roll around. Whoops. It's not going to roll around. And see, this actually matches up. Because I used hot glue to lay it down. And that should be good. And that should match up. Just want to cram it on. Okay, that's all that's needed. Just touch it. And so, let's see if this works. Hopefully it doesn't blow up. I heard it go, it was getting too hot. And when I say overvolted, it is, that's good. That's good. That's good. There we go. There we go. That looks good. Yeah, this is my old one. I'm actually really glad that I got this one now. But yeah, if you ever blew a bulb, and if you got a spare globe, you can just replace them out and keep on going. Keep on enjoying the fun. You know, there's a certain reason why I do this, and I'll tell you guys later. Now, I'll tell you now, but really it's for your angel teams. Your teams, your guides, your angels, the ones that you love, the ones that love you. They can use this form of energy as a, basically an energy source. It helps you not be so, it helps you to not be so hungry because it takes energy to run your devices. And they use energy from your body to basically run them for themselves, for that purpose. And so if you have these lying around, if you have these powered on, just like this, put them next to a computer, put them next to a laptop, you can basically save your consciousness, save your energy. It's not the most ideal energy source. Your body, your heart, your mind is more ideal. But you can use these if you make the power supply more congruent, you basically have to replace the spiral wound capacitors with ceramics. And that slows down the timing or the refill refresh rate of the transistors, which needs to feed them. And it doesn't take much energy from you when you do this, and it actually gives you basically an energy source, something to go on to fuel your teams, especially if you do a lot of energy work with them, which I do. I work with them on a daily basis. I have since the beginning of April last year. And so, yeah, you can actually use plasma balls like this. Yeah, nothing really bad happens to touch them together, but it gets really hot at that point, so I wouldn't really do that if you leave this on for too long, because this is overvolted by about 5.6 volts. It's not just overvolted, but the capacitors inside this have been replaced as well, which allows this thing to basically emit a little bit more brightly. And this is it's a USB power ball. It's not supposed to be this bright or this powerful. And this is a 12 volt one that I've had for pretty recently. And it's a little more stable. It does not get as hot because it's a larger sphere, larger globe. And yeah, besides the heck, they're just really cool and very neat to look at. And if you have any kids, very easy way to entertain them. So, yeah. Plus, it's just really cool just to do this. No, this one's not getting as warm. The last one got pretty hot and went poof. I said, did something fall? No, nothing fell. Also, if you do a lot of exercises, this also helps your pain relief by putting it on places that are tired. Because it is I don't even know how to explain it. It is a form of electricity, energy, and your body uses calories, uses sugar to basically create that. And that's the first thing that gets exhausted whenever you work out. So if you do a lot of those, see this, it feels, if you do a lot of exercises, this helps, this works. This helps more than you would think. So thank you to whoever posted that one video. Basically gave me the idea for it all those months ago. Because I was using a computer before, a very powerful computer to basically power my angels. So thank you. You're very dear to me. And these are pretty cool, aren't they? They're really cool. But yeah, I just want to show you guys that you can actually place these balls. You can actually place these globes